In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive effectively, focusing on sharing files and managing permissions. Let's dive straight in to make sure that your collaboration is seamless and secure. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already, you might need to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, locate the file that you want to share. This can be a document, a photo, or any file stored in your Drive. With your file in sight, click on it to highlight it. When you do this, you'll notice some additional options appear at the top of the screen. Next, locate and click on the Share icon. This action opens the sharing settings for the file you selected. You're likely familiar with sharing files, but understanding the nuances here can help you maintain better control over who accesses your files. In the Share menu, you'll initially see a field to add people and groups. Here, you can enter the email addresses of individuals you want to share the file with. If you're planning to work closely with someone specific, add their email. Now, before finalizing the share, let's take a moment to review the permissions. You'll see an option that says, Allow editors to change permissions and share. Click on this option if you want to give your editors more control over the file. This can be useful when collaborating in dynamic teams where different members need to upload and adjust information. Continuing with permission settings, click on the word Editors. This brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to adjust their access level. You'll have options like Editor, Commenter, and Viewer. Editors can make changes to the content. Commenters can suggest edits and leave comments for collaboration, while viewers can only read the document without making changes or comments. You might also want to find the Commenters and Viewers section and explore those options if your goal is to gather feedback without giving people the ability to alter content, which is particularly important for maintaining the integrity of work. Once you've set everything according to your needs, scroll to the bottom and make sure the right people have the right access. You might want to do a quick review by clicking on those you've just added, ensuring their details and permissions align with your goals. Finally, once you've double-checked everything, go ahead and click Done to save your sharing settings. Remember, sharing files is an excellent way to collaborate more effectively, but always ensure you're comfortable with who can see and edit your work. Google Drive provides these tools to help you maintain control while promoting collaboration, so use them wisely. That's it for today's guide. With these steps, you're ready to share and manage your files with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.